How to change language in OXK. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dots icon. Simply tap on it. So here in your profile settings, here simply tap on your name. Now here you'll be able to see different options and settings. Swipe right until you find the option called Preferences. Tap on it. Now on the top, you'll be able to see the option called Language. Tap on Language. So it is set to default English because it's an international language. Now here are the limited languages that are available, so you can select any one of these. Here I'm tapping on one, so it would take some time, so it's better you restart the application and the whole interface will change into the language that you have just selected. So simply go back and it's completely done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.